Hey guys, so last week I put up a post just kind of showing you guys a little something that I was having made up. There were gem dice, and you guys were quite excited by those. So I just got the package in now, and I thought, oh, why don't I make a little unboxing or unpackaging video for you guys, and we can kind of discover together what the dice kind of look like. So super excited. Hope you guys enjoy it. Okay, so here we have the package of dice, and I should use my handy dandy scissors to break into this beast. Trying to do this one-handed, not the easiest solution. No. I'm not gonna lie, having a phone tripod might have been a good investment at this point. I have to remember that. Ooh, there it is. Okay. You know that you've got something really, really, really delicate when it's wrapped up in bubble wrap like that. Holy crap. Okay. Sure, is there anything else in the package? I always love it. Am I the only one who does this? I have to look at the package, even though I know there's nothing else in there, but I'm like, ooh, there could be something slipped. Alright, so here is the, well, this is making it very well. What in the, okay. Do you know what? I'm just going to stab it a bit. I have no idea what I'm doing here with this. This is ridiculous. Okay, here we go. Alright, I got it. I know, this is like the most anticlimactic unwrapping thing ever. Oh, try it anyway. These scissors are just, yeah. Trying to do this one-handed is just not a very good option. Okay. Ooh, oh, I feel something. Ooh. Okay. Alright, let's see if I can get my... Okay. Oh, that's a good sign. Plastic Ziploc, always a good sign. Ooh, ooh. Oh my gosh, can you guys see that? Oh, I cannot wait to pull this thing out of the wrap. Oh my gosh. That looks like the green fluorite. And see, I got the, it's, just to explain, like, this is font. I chose the font. Now, I didn't put my logo or anything on these ones just yet because I wanted to kind of see what the guy could do before I really started to kind of invest in, you know, doing crazy custom engravings. He said that he could change the font, no worries, so that's why I kind of went with that. Oh my gosh, this looks like the Amethyst. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to open that one. The Amethyst, you know, you guys really like the Amethyst, and I kind of agree with you. I really was excited about the Amethyst. But let's see if this rose gold. Here's the rose gold now, I think. Oh, maybe that's the rose gold. Or maybe I got two amethysts. I don't know. Well, whatever this one is, it looks fantastic. Oh, guys. Okay. So here's the three sets. I actually ordered a rose gold, a green fluorite, and an amethyst. But I think I actually got green fluorite, purple fluorite, and amethyst. Yeah. Okay. So let's start with the green fluorite. Oh my gosh. I am so excited to open these things. I have no idea. When I found this guy, I got recommended him from my supplier, and like they had worked with him before, so I was super stoked to get these. Oh, whoa, that looks really cool. Now, some of you guys, particularly if you know anything about gemstone dice, will know that a big issue with gemstone dice at the moment is inclusions. So something that I talked to him about was what they kind of do around inclusions. Now, he seems to think that the dice are quite stable, even though, as he said, you still don't want to roll them on super hard surfaces. But he seems to think they're fairly stable. So part of this sample test is to see how stable these are. So I'm going to be rolling these, and I will take pictures of that and video of that as well. But so far, they look really good. Yeah. And I like the cloudy look to them. I know that, you know, true cut green fluorite and purple fluorite and stuff, particularly amethyst anyway, would have more of a clear clarity to it. But I actually really like the cloudiness in the dice. for reasons. So, yeah. Now that is this is my workbench I'm on in here at the minute. So this is the green fluoride. And then we've got, oh no, I'm looking it up. I really like the green. The green looks really cool. Okay. I don't know. Am I the only one who? Oh man, if I get this open with one hand. Look at this thing. I can't get this open with one hand. Oh god, I'm using my teeth. Okay. Now, oh, it's the D10 percentile. Ooh, cheers. Oh wow. So you could definitely tell that it's, sorry, you could definitely tell, don't mind my mangy fingernails. You can definitely tell that it's been hand cut and hand engraved. The 7D here is a little bit off center. You can see there, it's a little bit off center, but that doesn't bother me too much. I really like the font. I was really happy with this font when I found it as well, but I think I'm even more happy with it seeing it actually on the dice. Wow, that looks so cool. I love that. So that's the D100 percentile. Okay. Now, next one is going to be the normal D10. Okay. Now, let me just put this up here. Ooh, there we go. So that's pretty cool too. Now, they're all hand inked as well. And you can tell that, you can see some of the irregularities in the inking there, but I don't mind. Again, that doesn't bother me too much. Now, that's kind of cool. I like that. So obviously I have nothing to compare these with. Some of you guys who have gemstones might have a better idea kind of how these compare. They look really fantastic to me, and I really like the cloudiness and kind of you see the inclusions there, right? I like that. For me, that doesn't bother me too much. They're actually a lot lighter than I was expecting, to be honest. I was expecting them to be a little bit more heavy, like metal dice. So that's kind of cool. That's a cool thing to note. I really love that 3, actually. But even with the 7s, like, I could clean that up a bit, I'd say. But yeah, so far so good. Those two are cool. So that is, we'll look at the D20, why not? I'm sure you guys don't want to go through the entire poly set, do you? I'm going to get some who are going to be like, thank you, I'm so glad you didn't go through the entire poly set. And then some are going to be like, oh my god, I wanted to see the whole poly set. Sorry, guys. I don't want to take up all your time. So the 14, the reason I went to the 14 right away is because the 4 was something that was really important to me on the with the font. So I really wanted to see how the 4 came out. And that's not too bad. What do you guys think about the 4? It's legible. It's a little bit, I don't like the fact that the middle part isn't out, but that doesn't bother me too much. I like the shape. I think the 4 could probably be a little bit bigger, but that's not a big deal. Really like the 20. I'm really taken with the font for the 20. But so that's the D20 there. That keeps going out of focus. That's really nice. I like it. So that is the green fluoride set. So we'll move that over there. Next up is I think this is the purple fluoride set. In fact, I'm almost positive this is the purple fluoride set. Okay. Same again. Here's the D. Well, this is the D10, not the D1 percentile, but the D10. Okay. So, again, really loving that. The numbers. I really like the font a lot. And this font is called Gabriello or Gabriella. I think it's Gabriello or Gabriella. So if you're curious, I really like the font a lot. So in terms of the dice themselves, it's pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I like that little feature there. Now again, it keeps going out of focus. Sorry, guys. So one thing I'm noticing between the two is that the green fluoride, anyway, the end of it was kind of knocked off a little bit. This one's not, which is interesting. But I love the cloudiness again. I love the look of it. So yeah, I think this is purple fluoride. And we'll look at the yeah, there we go. I'll look here at the D100. Okay, that's interesting. Sorry, I was looking at it there before I put it on the camera just to kind of try to get the eyes view of it because I'm looking through the camera at the minute. That's not too bad. Again, I think the more I see the font, the more I like the font. Look at that. Look at that. That's fantastic. I really like the 4 there, that size. That's great. I think the 4 is the only problem with the 4 on the D20 is that it's so small to fit onto the D20. But look at that now. That's really nice. I like that 4 a lot. Okay. So far, so good. Yeah, it's kind of they're not true purple amethysts. They're kind of, I don't know, what do you want to call it? There's probably a geological term for it, but like a dirty amethyst or fluorite, excuse me, not amethyst. So it's not pure. There's little bits of stone and rock in it. You can kind of see that in the bits there. You see, I don't think it's pure. But again, I don't mind. It's cool looking. They're a lot lighter, as I said, than I had originally thought. So, and I do see the inclusions on them, but they don't look really that bad. So, yeah. Anyway, that's that. Now, on to what I believe is the Amethyst set. Now, before I show this to you guys, I'm just putting up the light to see am I getting, because these are really dark. I might actually try and put this up to the light for you guys as well, because I'm not sure it's going to come across very well on the screen. So, oh yeah, God, look at that. Okay, that's almost like an obsidian. That's fantastic. Now, it's hard to see on the camera. I don't know if there we go. That's a bit better. You can see the purple there now. That is really cool. I like that a lot. That is a fantastic, cool looking set. Okay, and now, just because I'm a geek, I want to see the D20. Okay. Okay. So remember on the pictures I showed earlier, the darker ones, I think that's these ones. So they're coming out really dark. Now, that 15 is a little bit on the edge there. Again, it's hand done, so I'm not too awful put out by it. But, yeah, I'd say it's just because the numbers again. Yeah, the inking job definitely. Yeah, I think definitely with the inking job, he needs to do a bit better with that. But that's feedback that can be given. Not too awful concerned about that, but definitely the inking job probably needs to be improved a bit. Now, I told him I wanted gold ink. I don't know if that makes a difference in terms of adhering to it. Maybe there's better acrylic inks or something that would work, or maybe I doubt the color matters, but you never know. Sometimes maybe he thought I actually wanted like gold leaf or something. Anyway, aside from that too, and a few of the little spottiness around it, the inking job isn't too bad. And actually, where's that 14 at? This 14 is a lot better than the other 14. Yeah, okay. So guys, that's the unboxing of them. So I was really super excited to show you guys these, and it was cool. It was a cool experience to be able to do it with you guys, and you guys can kind of see my own first impressions of them. I really like them. I think that I suppose because I make handmade stuff myself, I like things that are not perfect. So even things like this D20 or D10, excuse me, not being perfect, it doesn't really bother me that much. But I know for some people that could be a bit of a concern. So I am keen to get your guys' feedback on these. What do you think of the dice? Do you think they're awesome? Do you think they're crap? Should I carry them? Should I not carry them? Let me know in the comments section, guys, what you think. And yeah, see you next time.